Scalloped potatoes are a classic barbecue side dish, perfect for a potluck dinner party. To make mushroom scalloped potatoes, start by making the mushroom cream sauce. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan and saute 300 grams of thinly sliced button mushrooms and sweat for 2 or 3 minutes. Then add 15 milliliters of brandy, 15 grams of minced shallot, 10 grams of minced garlic, 125 milliliters of chicken or vegetable broth, and 60 milliliters of heavy cream. Then peel and thinly slice 150 grams of russet potato into the mushroom cream sauce. I like to use the small mandolin. To assemble the scalloped potatoes, add 50 grams of caramelized onions to the bottom of 2 onion soup bowls and divide the potato mixture between the bowls evenly. Top the bowls with 30 grams of grated Swiss cheese and lightly cover the bowls with aluminum foil. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 50 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for another 15 or 20 minutes or until nicely browned and bubbling around the edges. Serve the potatoes when they are cool enough to eat, or scalloped potatoes are excellent the next day after the flavors have had a chance to develop together and are easy to reheat.